We have this question here. It says the table summarizes the results from 979 pedestrian deaths that were caused by automobile accidents. If one pedestrian death is randomly selected, find the probability the pedestrian was intoxicated. So it's going to be probability that, we'll just say P intox. So of all the 979, so it's going to be out of 979, how many pedestrians were intoxicated? So it's just going to be these two groups added together, which is going to give me 288 over 979. Divided by 979. We get 29.4%. That's it. Next one says, if one pedestrian is chosen at random, find the probability the pedestrian was intoxicated or the driver was intoxicated. So we're looking at the probability of P or D intox. So from the notes, this says this is equal to the probability of P being intoxicated plus the probability of D being intoxicated minus the probability of both. So the probability the pedestrian's intoxicated is going to be all of these. So this is going to be 299 out of 980 plus the probability that the driver was intoxicated, which would be these two, 55 and 80, 135 over 980, minus that group I counted twice, both pedestrian and driver intoxicated, minus 55 out of 980. So we'll just do that in a calculator. We'll do 299 divided by 980 plus 135 divided by 980 minus 55 divided by 980. We get 38.67 or 38.7%. And the last one, same thing. If two different pedestrians were randomly selected, what's the probability that they both involved the drivers that were not intoxicated? So this is probability of D not intox. So we'll do this. D intox with a line over it. And probability of D not intoxicated. Intox with a line over it. So the probability the first one's not intoxicated. Well, that would be these two groups out of 979. 979. What is that? That is 233 and 597. Let's just do the calculator. 830 times, do it again, 830 over 979. So we have 830 divided by 979 times 830 divided by 979. We get 71.8 or 71.9. And that's it. That's your answer.